friends, welcome to our channel Just to Know. Today our topic is on collagen. Introduction. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the mammals and account 25 to 30% of the protein content. Miller and Matakas discovered collagen in 1969. It is a major fibrous element of the tissue like bone, cartilage, hair, nail, derma, etc. Collagen can influence cell shape, differentiation, and many cellular activity. Thus, this forms a multifunctional connective tissue protein. When it is heated in the water, it breaks down to produce soluble derived protein called gelatin or animal glue. Structure of collagen. Tropocollagen are composed of 3 polypeptide alpha chain coiled around each other to form a triple helix configuration. The alpha chain are left-handed helix wrapped around each other into right-handed rope-like triple helix rod. Each helix is around 1.4 nanometer in diameter and 300 nanometer in length. The triple helix may be continuously stretched or it may be interrupted by a non-collagenous element. There are around 3 amino acids per turn. The triple helix sequence are composed of glycine XY repeats, where X and Y being frequently proline and 4-hydroxyproline respectively. Glycine occupies every third position in the repeating amino acid sequence. It is essential for the triplet helix configuration because large amino acid will not fit into the center of the triple helix. In the alpha chain of type 1 collagen, there are 338 glycine XY triplet sequence at each end. They are known as tylopeptidase. It has both aminotylopeptidase end and a carboxytylopeptidase end. Proline and hydroxyproline in the alpha chain are amino acid with a rigid cylindrical structure. Stabilization of a triple helix is brought by the presence of glycine at every third residue, the high content of proline and hydroxyproline, interchain hydrogen bond, electrostatic involving glycine and aspartate. Types of collagen. The collagen family consists of 28 members. The variations are brought by the difference in the assemble of basic polypeptide chain, difference in the length of the helix, various interruption in the helix, and the difference in the interterminal of the helical domain. So friends, subscribe our channel for more updates and share your interested topic in the comment section which you want us to post. Functions. Functions of each type. Types. Type 1 provide tensile strength to the connective tissue. Type 2 also provide tensile strength to the connective tissue. Type 3 form the structural framework, for example, for spleen, liver, lymph node, etc. Type 4 forms meshwork of the basal lamina to provide support. Type 5 provide tensile strength and associated with type 1 collagen. Type 6 bridging between the cells and matrix. Type 7 forming anchoring filament for the lamina. Type 8 it provides tissue support and also provides compressive strength. Type 9 associate with type 2 collagen. Type 10 calcium binding. Type 11 control lateral growth of type 2 fibrils. Type 12 associate with the type 1 collagen. Type 13 cell matrix and cell adhesion. Type 14 modulates fibril interaction. Type 15 proteolytic release of anti-aneuploidy factor. Type 17 cell to matrix attachment. Type 18 proteolytic release of anti-aneuploidy factor. Type 14 formation of hippocampal synapse. Type 24 marker for osteoblast differentiation and bone formation. Type 27 cartilage calcification. Biomedical application. Collagen is regarded as most useful biomaterial to repair tissue, for drug delivery application, to enhance the durability of the allograft tissue, tissue augmentation used in plastic surgery, to enhance blood coagulation and platelet activation, use in regeneration of bone substitute, wound dressing and nerve degeneration, artificial skin, and use in research purpose to study the disease such as diabetic, aging, and to evaluate drugs.